If you've ever had a time where you just feel that sickness in the pit of your stomach when you realise you've saved over the absolutely perfect Excel file. Maybe all it was is you did a simple edit, or maybe you realised at a later stage that a previous version of a spreadsheet was actually what you wanted after all. Well, let me tell you, you're not on your own. And the fantastic news is that if you've saved your file to OneDrive or SharePoint, Excel 365's got you covered. Even if you didn't save the file separately, Excel 365 has some built-in features enabling you to hopefully easily recover what you thought you'd lost. Now, working in business today, efficiency and accuracy really matter. So regardless of if you're working on a simple spreadsheet, analysing some staff data, or more complex analysis, the thought of losing data is frustrating, stressful, and costs a heap of time. So that's why it's really important to know how to access previous versions of your Excel files, because they can be a lifesaver. So here are 3 ways to access previous versions. Check them all out or choose one that seems the easiest or works for you in your circumstances. So the first one here is to click the File drop menu. So here I have my file. If I click the drop arrow here, you can see we have an option for version history. And when I click on it, it activates a pane on the right-hand side, and I can actually open up a previous version, and I could choose to then save that previous version as my current version, for example. So that's one way of doing it. We'll just close that one down. And if I close that down, it brings me back to our original file. If you've closed an Excel file without saving it, Excel may have saved a temporary version of the file. Let's have a look at how this might work. If we go to the File tab and we go to More Workbooks, and from here, if we go down the bottom to Recover Unsaved Workbooks, Excel has my file here. If I double click on it, I can see here it's unsaved. And clicking on it, it opens the file up, and then I could then save it from there. So it may do that. If it doesn't show any unsaved workbooks, what you can actually do is from the File tab, go to Options. And from the Options area here with Save, just check to see where the auto recover location is, and you can actually change the timing. So if you want to make sure that you can automatically recover something, try reducing the timing and making sure you know whereabouts it's actually locating any of the auto recovered files. So just click cancel to come out of that, and if I close that down, it brings me back to my original spreadsheet. And the third option to access version history is to go to the File tab, and we're going to go down to Info, and from here we have an option for version history. When you choose that, it opens up the pane on the right hand side, just as we did with the drop arrow from the top here. So all of these provide great in case of emergency style tools if you ever need to go back in time. So let's just summarize. My 3 quick tips are: check or turn on auto save in Excel. So even changing the default timing to 5 minutes could just be the lifesaver you need. Ensure you save your files to OneDrive or SharePoint, and that will ensure that you have access to full history or versions. Take the time to read the boxes that come up on screen in Excel. They're generally there to tell you something, and it's worth paying attention. So some handy tips just to help you when accessing previous versions of your Excel file, but you didn't save it.